Hello and welcome to Red Stapler channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a glowing 3D text effect with Pure CSS in just a few minutes. Ready? Let's check it out. So here's the sample page we are going to use with background color set to green. First, let's add the div to put our text on. I'm not using span because span is an inline element, so some transform properties won't work on it. And next I'm going to set the font size, absolute position, and -50% translate to center the text on the screen. Then I'm going to add a little skew Y to create a 3D-like effect using bottom left transform origin. Next, we are going to use the same technique with previous tutorial by using multiple layers of text shadow. We will place each layer diagonally to create depth to the text. Now we need to hide the original text as it stands out from the text shadow. We can do this by setting color to transparent. I'm also going to add another set of text shadows to create a glowing effect. I will set the blur distance a little bit more with 40% opacity. Now it looks a little bit too bright, so I'm going to darken the color of some text shadow layers to make it more realistic. Next, we're going to work on the shadow. Start by creating pseudo element with the same text. I'll use absolute position with 0 top left. This will make the text overlay the original one. Then skew it by 30 degrees using bottom left transform origin. Now I'll set the Z index to -1 to put the shadow under. And then we'll use the text shadow property again, but this time with black color and more blur distance. Finally, set the color to transparent since we want to display only the text shadow property, not the text itself. And that's it. Let's see the result. So that's all for this tutorial. If you love this video, don't forget to like or subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!